Welcome back to another module of content syndication videos. In this segment, I will be showing you the perks of using LinkedIn as one of your content syndication methods. First off, why should you even consider using LinkedIn as one of the methods to spread your content around? Evidently, it is known to be a social networking platform that is heavily inclined towards professional workers around the globe. At times, it is treated like an ongoing resume with live references, mostly to those who are looking for jobs. Additionally, LinkedIn allows you to connect with many professionals out there. With connections comes recommendations, thus allowing you and your content to reach potential viewers and buyers easily. That being said, let us unravel one of the three main reasons why you should be using LinkedIn. First, it has been nominated as the world's largest professional network, with users ranging over 500 million from over 200 countries. LinkedIn is one of the highly sought-after websites for professional references and job scouting purposes. LinkedIn connects the world's professionals to make your journey more productive and successful. Second of all, it provides higher chances to reach bigger audiences. LinkedIn announced that beginning 2017, there is a significant rise of 80% in unique clicks and a 13% increase in impressions. This gives marketers using LinkedIn ample opportunity to reach to their potential customers through targeted community and campaigns. All they need to do is connect with people of the same niche of their product. Lastly, LinkedIn is one of the most valuable places for advertisers. Why? Because about 45% of users are those with higher annual income of more than $60,000. This demographic is more popular in LinkedIn than Twitter itself. Thus, using ads in LinkedIn will highly boost the engagement with your prospects because it targets such demographic who, in general, are in a good position to spend. Now that we've uncovered reasons why you should be using LinkedIn for your content, next I'll be showing you how to reach 100% profile completion to attract your prospects.